I understand there are 200 shops here.
Yeah.
And it's a mixture of local and foreign brands. Carrefour being one of the newly introduced foreign brands into Kenya. Which other brands come across your mind that you brought in?
If you go through here, you find stores that have all European goods.
Yes.
You have every project that you would want.
Yes.
Yeah.
I understand, is it LC Waikiki?
Yes.
Right there.
Waikiki is from Turkey.
From Turkey.
And they are very good. They developed, they sell products which are affordable.
Yes.
And they are one of the most successful stores in Africa.
Wow. Yes. Actually, I had these statistics. You can correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
That they open on a Thursday.
Yes.
And the following Saturday and Sunday, they broke all the records out of 700 shops worldwide.
In the world.
In the world. So this is something that we needed.
They actually were.
Yeah.
You see Art Bakery, Art Cafe here.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
Incredible.
Incredible. So this is a great store. You can see. There is no
state-of-the-art, world class.
There is no store with this many counters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yes.
Unbelievable. How does it feel? From Napier grass, 100 acres of Napier grass, to walking on...
I tell you, you don't know.
Best shopping experience in Africa.
I feel this is a great achievement.
Yes.
You know, when you develop something and you create jobs.
Yes.
Most of these Kenyans working here did not have jobs.